By the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Respected teachers, dear students, and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about trigonometry exercise number 8.2. In this exercise, we discuss right angle triangle. In my previous lecture, I teach you the properties of right angle triangle. In right triangle or in any triangle, there are 6 components, 3 angles and 3 sides. As you know that this side is called perpendicular and this side is called hypotenuse and this is our base. Here we have C is equal to 15 given data. First of all, you write the given data. C is equal to 15 and this is the hypotenuse and one angle is given, angle A. Here we can say this is our theta. Theta is 40 degree. As you know that a triangle having 90 degree angle is called right triangle. Here you can see this sign shows the 90 angle. So it's mean angle C is 90 degree. So first of all, if you have two angles, then you have to find the third angle using this formula. In any triangle, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree. Here you can say alpha is A, beta is B and gamma is C is 180 degree. Now putting the value of A and C, A is 40 degree and C is 90 degree. Angle C is 180 degree. Here C is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree minus 90 degree. So this is 50 degree. Here, we have C not, we have C 90 degree and we have to find the angle B. So B is our 50 degree. It means this angle is 50 degree. Now, we have only one side hypotenuse. Now I solve these two sides A and B. So A is our perpendicular and given side is our hypotenuse. It means you have to write the formula in which hypotenuse is included. So we have two formulas, cos theta base over hypotenuse and sin theta perpendicular over hypotenuse. First of all, sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Write down the values. Sin theta is 40 degree. Sin 40 is equal to perpendicular A and hypotenuse is 15. This implies by cross multiplying A is equal to 15 multiplied sin 40 degree. You have to solve using calculator. Calculator, give me the calculator. So here for sin 40 multiply 15. So we have 9.64. This is our perpendicular. Now if we have two sides, any two sides, then we can use the Pythagoras theorem or we use the formula of tan theta or cos theta, anyone. So we write it tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular over base. Tan theta 40 degree, perpendicular is 9.64 and base is B. So B is equal to 9.64 over tan 40. So we have 9.64 divided by tan 40. Our answer is 11.48. So student, you can see how I solve the all 6 component, one angle and 2 sides. You can similarly solve the other 2 parts as yourself. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss about the question number 2. Thank you so much.